Hello friends, here I have a Yashica FX-2. It's vintage phone camera 35mm. It's pure metal body. It's take 35mm film for working. Also it's have a Yashica lens 1.255mm. Okay, you can remove lens from here. Put that button and scroll it like this. It's open. Right now it's not working, it needs service. Here is the lens element is very bad, needs service and cleaning. It's mirror, shutter mirror, it's lever, the ESA adjustment, click button. Yashica FX-2 35mm film camera, very in a good condition. It's collectible piece.